Casambi wireless fixture mounted microwave sensor plus light sensor plus 0 to 10 volt dimming. The fixture integrated sensor combines presence sensing, daylight harvesting, 0 to 10 volt dimming and Casambi radio technology into a small package that fits into various luminaires. Cost-effective solution for energy savings. Energy code compliance. Robust mesh network. Enter Casambi. The device is automatically found. Click Add to your network. No network required to create a network. Add successfully. Click Add Scene. Here we add a sunset scene. Click to activate device. Click Daylight Control. Mode of operation. Select Basic, On, Off. Tap Controlling Sensors to select the sensor you want to control. Adjust lux value of lamp on and off. When the daily brightness is lower than the set minimum value, the lamp will be turned on. When the daily brightness is higher than the maximum value set, the lamp is turned off. Adjust the fade time. Done. Click Apply Sunset Scene. When the brightness is increased, the lux value becomes higher. When the lux value exceeds the set maximum lux value, the lamp is turned off. When the brightness decreases, the lux value decreases. When the lux value is lower than the minimum lux value set, the lamp is turned on. Click Add Scene. Set to Come. Click to activate scene. Set the brightness to 100%. Add another scene. Set to Leave. Click to activate scene. Set the brightness to 0%. Done. More. Select sensors. Select the sensor you want to control. Select the presence sensor. Not in use. Select presence, absence. Click present scenes. Select Come. Absence scène. Select Leave. Linger time. Absence timée. Fade time. Done. Luminaires. Tap A. Resume automation. Application success. When people come, the lights turn on. When people leave, the lights turn off.